Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For this video, I'm going to be reacting to the Masked singer, Snowstorm, Harp, and the Lambs battle to Since You've Been Gone, Season 8, Episode 10. I reacted to Harp, I guess her finale performances, and I really love Amber Riley, like her voice and stuff. But yeah, someone requested that I react to this because I think in my last video, I was wondering, like, Amber Riley's so good, and I didn't get a chance to watch the whole show and all the clips and stuff. So I was like wondering, who did she even compete against? Like, who were the other singers, like the other famous people that she was competing against? Because Amber Riley's so good. So I was like, who was she even like, up against? Like, did they even have a chance? But I guess I'm gonna find out. They said that I should watch this video because they all sang like back to back to back. And yeah, I like Since You've Been Gone, Kelly Clarkson. We all know that song. So let's get into it, and please subscribe. Let me know what else I should react to in the comments below. Oh, also, side note, every time I think about Amber Riley, I always think about this, but I forget to say it. Wasn't she on the Terrell show? And on the Terrell show, he asked her, like, if she changed her stage name to just Riley. Like, didn't she just change her stage name to Riley? But now it's back to Amber Riley. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. Does she still go by Riley? Just Riley? And just Amber Riley for this show? I don't know. But anyway, let's start this video.
Here's the thing. We started out friends. It was cool, but it was all pretend.
I'm not sure who is the celebrity behind this mask, but their singing's not bad, but if you're comparing her to Amber Riley, it's like Amber Riley had like no chance of losing.
Yeah, yeah, since you've been gone, you dedicated, you took your time. It wasn't long till I called you mine. Yeah, yeah, well, since you've been gone, that's all you ever hear me say is how I pictured me with you.
But I do like her costume.
Yeah, that's all you ever hear me.
She the snowflake or like snow queen? Maybe snowflake. Oh, it's in the title, Snowstorm. Just kidding. But yeah, I like her costume.
Since you've been gone.
It's like, here it comes, and it's kind of flat. I don't know. Not as strong as Kelly Clarkson.
I can't breathe for the first time. I'm so moving on. Yeah, yeah. Thanks to you, now I get what I want. Since you've been gone.
Yeah.
Okay, not too bad. I don't know who that is. And they're gonna have them all sing the same song. Like, that's super comparing their voices. And compared to Amber Riley, like, singing the same song, oh my gosh, you don't have a chance.
We started out friends. It was cool, but it was all pretend. Yeah.
At any point during this show, did she like sing a ballad or something, and then like a dancer pretended to play her, like the harp? Pretend to play the harp, aka her. I don't know. Maybe that's too corny, but that would be funny if like someone was pretending to play her while she was singing. But anyway.
Yeah, yeah. Since you've been gone.
Yeah.
Okay, she's like slowing it down, making it more emotional, and like layered back, pulled back. I don't know. But the music is like more calm and soothing and like more orchestral. Is that a word? I don't know. I like this version. Like, I like the original version, but I also like her take on this song, plus her voice.
That's all you'd ever hear me say. But since you've been gone, I can't breathe for the first time.
Like, I feel bad for the lambs because they have to go after this performance. And I like the little that little thingy she did with her voice. Let me go back a little bit. A little more.
How I picture me with you. That's all you'd ever hear me say.
Say, like, I really like that she did that with her voice. I feel bad for the other people because they know that she's so good and they're like, oh dang, we gotta sing the same song with her.
But since you've been gone, I can't breathe for the first time. I'm so moving on, yeah, yeah.
Come on.
Thanks to you, now I get what I want. Since you've been gone.
All right.
Like, she should have just won the show right there. They're like, sorry lambs, you're not allowed to go right now. Like, she already perfected it. Like, come again next time.
Oh, this is a battle royale. Here's the thing, we started out friends. It was cool, but it was all pretend. Yeah, yeah. Since you've been gone, you dedicated, you took the time. It wasn't long till I called
She's like, Amber won.
you mine. Yeah, yeah. Since you've been gone, all you'd ever hear me say is how I picture me with you. That's all you'd ever hear me say.
Speaking of three girls singing together, do y'all listen to Flow, the new British girl group? They're so good. R&B throwback, like late 90s, early 2000s sound. Check them out.
Since you've been gone, I can't breathe for the first time. I'm so moving on, yeah, yeah. Thanks to you, now I get what I want. Since you've been gone.
The girl group I just mentioned, I was reminded because their harmonies are so good. Maybe even better than them.
Since you've been gone.
Okay, so I think the Lambs, dang, I don't remember they're a group from the 90s, but I don't remember their name. But yeah, I think I heard them be revealed or something, but I don't know who Starstorm. I don't know who Snowstorm is, but yeah, they didn't have a chance against Amber Riley or just Riley, but yeah, that was so good. Her rendition, like, she didn't have to go all out. She already knew, like, if I do it like slow, like what is that word? Like laid back, not laid back, whatever, but like more instrumental, not like the full rock sound. I can't think of the word right now, but I hope you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, she like did like a slower version and it sounded so good. And like when she sings like ballady stuff, her voice sounds so amazing. But anyway, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Let me know what else I should react to in the comments below. And if you want to see my experiences in Korea, you can check out my first channel, SEKSHI. And if you want to see my other socials, it's right here under my face. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.